Elevate your mobile experience with a TCL NxtPaper 60 Ultra, a device designed not just to impress, but to transform the way you interact with your screen. In a world overflowing with bright, saturated displays and endless notifications, this phone invites you to reclaim your comfort and peace, delivering a genuinely immersive and eye-friendly experience. Design and build quality. From the first moment you hold the NxtPaper 60 Ultra, its size and sleek build feel reassuringly robust. Measuring just 7.6 mm thin and weighing 227 grams, the device balances generous screen dimensions with comfortable ergonomics. Its combination of glass front and durable plastic frame provides both elegance and resilience, while IP68 waterproofing means you don't have to worry about life's unexpected spills or dust. With support for dual SIMs and eSIM, plus convenient stylus compatibility, this phone is built for all lifestyles. Display, eye care excellence. At the heart of the TCL NxtPaper 60 Ultra is its revolutionary 7.2-inch NxtPaper display. Engineered using NxtPaper 4.0 technology, this panel delivers a paper-like feel with full color vibrancy. Certified by TÜV SÜD and enhanced with nano-matrix lithography, it offers anti-glare, reflection-free viewing for clear visibility, no matter how you hold your phone. Whether in bright daylight or late-night darkness, adaptive brightness drops as low as 2 nits, keeping your eyes restful, even during marathon reading sessions. Zero flickering technology ensures visual fatigue stays away, and TCL's blue light purification sets a new benchmark for healthy screen use by minimizing blue light emissions to just 3.4%. The display's 120 Hz refresh rate guarantees smooth scrolling and gaming, while high brightness up to 850 nits lets every image and text shine. Advanced writing and reading modes. The paper-like feel goes beyond visuals. With pressure-sensitive stylus support at 4096 levels and ultra-low latency down to 5 milliseconds, writing and sketching feels natural and precise. Switch to ink paper mode to experience long-form reading on an e-ink-inspired screen, perfect for documents and books. Or choose color paper mode for graphic novels and magazines. Every moment looks brilliant yet easy on your eyes. Superior performance. Powered by the Mediatek Dimensity 7400 chipset and running Android 15, the NxtPaper 60 Ultra offers both performance and stability. Its octa-core processor and Mali G615 GPU provide reliable speed, while 12GB RAM and up to 512GB storage capacity mean you'll never feel constrained, whether multitasking or gaming. Camera system. The triple rear camera setup delivers remarkable versatility: a sharp 50-megapixel wide sensor, a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide for creative shots. Optical image stabilization and advanced modes like HDR and panorama bring clarity to any scenario, while 4K video at 30 frames per second ensures memories are preserved in vivid detail. The selfie camera offers an impressive 32-megapixel sensor, perfect for both video calls and streaming. Sound and connectivity. Audio quality is immersive with stereo speakers, enhancing both media and calls. While there's no headphone jack, Bluetooth 5.4 with a 2DP and aptX means high-fidelity wireless sound is always an option. Wi-Fi 6 support ensures rapid connectivity, and NFC makes mobile payments and sharing effortless. GPS, GLONASS, Galileo, and BDS guarantee precise location tracking everywhere you go. Battery and charging. Long-lasting power is at your fingertips thanks to the 5200 mAh battery. With 33-watt fast charging, you're back to 50% in just 30 minutes. Reverse charging lets you help out others in a pinch, keeping your tech ecosystem always connected. The ultimate comfort experience. The TCL NxtPaper 60 Ultra stands as the most comprehensive smartphone for eye care and comfort, fusing paper-like natural clarity with digital convenience. Its adaptable screen, low blue light emissions, and anti-glare surface redefine what it means to enjoy mobile technology. Whether you're working, reading, creating, or relaxing, this device brings balance between technology and well-being.